in number 22, we're given the derivative of f of x in a graph, and we want to figure out for what values of x is f of x concave down. So we have to ask ourselves, how do we know when something's concave down? Well, if the second derivative is less than 0, or second derivative is negative, that means it's going to be concave down. We're not looking at this graph and saying, oh, this opens down, it's concave down here, because this is the graph of the derivative. We are trying to figure out when f of x is concave down. So the second derivative, if that's negative, we know it's going to be concave down. Well, we have the first derivative. Second derivative is merely the derivative of that. So if we look at the slope of this graph, the slope of the graph of the derivative equals the second derivative. So we want to know when the slope of this graph is negative. We have a few options here, so let's look. At 0, our slope is positive, so that's not going to work. At 1, our slope is 0, not going to work. At 2, our slope is negative, that works. Let's just check the other ones just to make sure. Slope at 3 is 0, doesn't work. And slope at 4 is positive, doesn't work. So the only one that has a negative slope is right here at x equals 2. So since the slope of this graph is negative, that means the second derivative would be negative, which means the graph of f is concave down.